They have put the concept of flexible working on the radar screens of leaders of enterprises like never before.
So we've talked a lot today about serviced office accommodation. I guess the biggest name in that space is WeWork. You know, they've had a trajectory like that. They've had huge valuations. They've fallen off a cliff. What went wrong, and how would you feel if you were one of their backers?
I think the first thing to say about WeWork is that they've done the entire industry a tremendous favour, because they have put the concept of flexible working on the radar screens of leaders of enterprises like never before, because beforehand serviced offices was just a backwater. So WeWork have changed the dynamic in terms of it's opened up the possibility of choice rather than having to take a 200-page lease. As for their IPO, who knows whether they have fallen off a cliff. They're still trading. They may well see a way forward through the current crisis. It's too early to say. But one thing is for sure is that they, along with long-standing players such as IWG, Regis, are going to be around for some time in some way, shape or form. Flexible is not going away anywhere fast.